Why before 5th of November this year, many experts and masters of physiognomy dare not predicted that Biden will win the US presidential election? Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic I want to talk about the US presidential election, which I had posted my video in August. For the US presidential election, I already predicted Biden will win the presidential election 3 months ago. So today I want to explain to you how I predicted and what is a key item I saw it in 3 months ago, and share with everybody. When I posted my physiognomy video on August this year, 2020, why could I be sure that the US presidential election, Donald Trump will lose to Joe Biden? And why I predicted Donald Trump would win the Hillary Clinton in 2016 US presidential election? Why I was doing a physiognomy presentation at the World Hygiene Conference hosted in Dalian, China on 19 September 2016, also about 2-3 months before. So why many people afraid to predict that Joe Biden will win in US presidential election this year? Have you seen or not? All the newspapers say Trump will win. All the news, all the people, all the fortune tellers say Trump will win. I am not asking anyone to compare who is accurate or inaccurate. This is not the predict, because in the world, no predictor in the world can predict all item accuracy or inaccuracy. I am a chemical engineer. As any science, chemist, physics, and medicine, etc., there are many uncertain theorems in this world. Fate analysis and physiognomy are the same. There are some uncertain theorems. The most important reason is a professional skill, knowledge, and experience of those scientists or the fortune teller would affect and make it uncertain, because their skill not good. Refer to the question above. Why before 5th of November this year, many experts and masters of physiognomy dare not predicted that Biden will win the US presidential election? Even on the 3rd November, still nobody want to predict. They until the 5th, then they saw the result, then they start predict. Why? Because they might have a psychology pressure, or they are affected by the new broadcast, or they are not sure their opinion, or they are afraid the wrong prediction will affect their physiognomy business or their personal image. Don't dare to judge in better. This is a theory. Maybe he don't want to do it. Or other reason. However, this is another matter. Now I have twice predicted to Donald Trump with 2 US presidential election. One is in 2016, one is in 2020. For the same person, why do I predict different result? The 2016 one, I already got the video explained very clear. But this 2020, 3 months ago, I also put on the video. But now I want to explain to you more clearly, so in future you can understand how to predict. So in my prediction record, I also have twice predicted Miss Tsai Ing-wen in Taiwan presidential election. In 2012, she lose, and 2016, she win, with the 2 different results. Please refer to my YouTube Face Reading Chinese courses. Anyway, we will not discuss this item here. Today, I will analyze and discuss my previous video at the YouTube channel on US presidential election, which I post in August 2020, 3 months before the election. Why I predicted Joe Biden will win US presidential election on the 3rd November 2020. So now we start. Okay, please refer to the photograph of these 2 persons, Donald Trump and Joe Biden. The photograph have been taken and displayed by the news during July and August this year, during their have a mass meeting in the presidential election. We can see the photo at that period. After reading the photo, what is your feeling? This is Trump. How? So lovely, huh? This is Joe Biden. How is he? So the first reason I chose is actually I have 4 reasons to choose and how I study. The first one is a vision power. That means when you stare the person, what is your vision power? If your vision power very strong, the person dare not stay with you. So best vision power for the leader is very important. Donald Trump do not maintain his vision power. He have a very good vision power in 2016, but now he don't have. You can see he look like very soft, different already. And you can see Joe Biden's vision power from the eyes. He stare the thing and keep on staring. And Joe Biden remained the same vision power of his eye in the past 45 years. No change. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it now by pressing the subscription and the ringing bell together. And write your valuable comment on the YouTube. Thank you for your support. So now we see the second picture, which I have posted in August this year. You can see Trump's face. What is the difference? You see the arrow points in there. This is Biden's face. Can you see? Complexion of the skin of the face. Donald Trump had no good complexion on his face. You can see. He looked like he have been a bit exhausted. Joe Biden's face look good. You see the face, you look like if a sky is falling down, he still come. He don't care about winning or losing. Very important. So we see the next photograph. You can see my arrow pointing is the 8th of the year on the face. So you have to remember all the portion of the face, the year, where is the place, where is the location. In my 5th video, I already explained to you very clear. Now we come to sarcoma on the face. Sarcoma is a meat actually hanging there. You can see. I have said many times that if a person is over 70 years old, if there is a dropping sarcoma on their face, that means the person's luck or his health is not good already. I mean either one. So especially the location of the sarcomas on the face is at the year of your age is more important. For example of the photo you can see Biden 78 years old, but he don't have sarcoma. But Trump 74 years old, he already got the sarcoma this side. You can see the dropping milk sarcoma, dropping sarcoma. This is not good. He is younger than Biden. That means his luck is no more there. This is important. I see from here, I already point out his luck is not good in this year. This is the reason I say physiognomy, face reading is very easy to learn, but it is not easy to proficient in understanding. Proficient in understanding, not easy. Now we see the next picture. You can see how is a comparison. What is a comparison? This is in August, not now. As I say, in August this year, Donald Trump was born in 1946, the year of fire dog. The horoscope of his birth date and time is Fred, which got 5 fire elements upon the 8th element. That means fire is too much. His face shape and hair also fire. He always look like that. Like the fire burning. So he likes red color. He always type, this is a special, he use a black one. But all the time, 90% you saw him, he actually using the red hat, red jacket. This is why he like the red color. He like fire and metal. He is insulting and destroyed by water or earth. On the 3rd of November 2020, I already told you, after 10 October, the Chinese month is going to the fire dog. It's a dog month. So when the man is turning to fire dog, and it's too many fire for Trump already, so the fire will burn him off. So you can see the 3rd of November 2020 is actually the year of Meteor, the month of fire dog, and the day on the day 3rd is a Meteor dog. So unfortunately for Trump, because on the same day if we predicted the dog time, the dog hours is from 17 hours to 21 hours on that day, on the 3rd. And that day, the dog time is fire dog also. So how many fire dog you calculate? Trump personally born in fire dog year. Now he meet the fire dog month, and meet the fire dog time, and meet the meteor dog day. So all the dog is there. So this is not good. This is too many fire dog at the same day, It's not good. So when we doing face reading, we must be face-free, not completely according to the book of physiognomy. We cannot just follow the book. We must observe the person from other things, and cannot just see the important part of the face. You have to see the small portions which when he is doing something. Because nowadays, the modern beauty skill, they actually can cover all your back one. The back portion he can cover by all the makeup, and nobody can see it. So we must look carefully for the person. When the person is angry, when the person resting, doing nothing, when the person do nothing, sit down there, or when the person very happy, or when the person is working, speaking. Every moment you catch up what is on his face, then you can see this is his luck is there or not there. So including the person walking, sit down, standing, all activity. This is important. And the most important thing is that many people may ignore and disagree. The birth date and time for the person would affect the movement and arrangement of the 8 elements, especially the astrology, constellation, and the arrangement and appearance of the planet in the universe would also affect the people's mind. This can affect the person's attitude or luck. According to the 5 elements of the birth date, I explained in my video version 5 already. So it can affect the person, including whether it will insult the person, destroying the person, or creating the person, or overacting the person, or they fight each other. So this is not good. That's why on that day, it's not a good day for Trump. It's very bad. If the election delay about 1 week later, he maybe can win. But that day is very bad for him. So life is a life. It is impossible to successful career, healthy and safe forever or every year when in a different time, place, and different person, we will have a different luck and fortune. This is important. The most valuable and trustworthy saying in Chinese I Ching book, the family who has promoted and did a lot of charity would have a good retribution and celebration. So when last month before election, I saw Trump's son interviewed by the television. He said to all the US citizens, US do not have a COVID-19 dead person. It's a zero percentage of dead. How can he say like that? Already got near 240,000 person die, and you don't have a sympathy of those dead person, and you still talking nonsense, say no person die. So this is not a good charity. This is a spell. The spell will come back. That's why when I saw this news, I already know his family already don't have a good retribution and celebration. This is luck already gone. You can refer to the I Ching's book. The family who had promoted and did a lot of charity would have a good retribution and celebration. But he do this type of bluff and talking nonsense. Nobody die in USA for COVID-19. How can he say like that? This is wrong. He will make the sky angry, also make the God angry. It's not good. So thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it now by pressing the subscription and ringing bell together, and write your valuable comment on my YouTube. Thank you for your support. If you got any doubt or question on the face reading, you can actually contact me through YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and others. Thank you very much for watching this video until now. Thank you. Thank you for watching until end of my video. I just want to share with you again. The sarcoma on the face is very important. You can see last month, Samsung's CEO, Mr. Lee, in Korea died. He is also 78 years old. He's 78 years old. He got 3 sarcoma meat is hanging there. So as I told you, if you got sarcoma meat, try to do the makeup or some massage. Try to make it disappear. Then you can have a long life. This is important. Another one thing I want to share with you. If when the family, the father want to become a millionaire, the son should be the millionaire son. You know or not? The wife should be a millionaire missus. If you are not, then you are outside. So if the father become president, the son should take care of the people in their country. You cannot say anything wrong. You cannot say anything as you like. Once you say this one, it's actually like a spell. No, you will curse back yourself. So it's not good. You can see, if a richest family, the whole family always all got the good luck. Not only one person got good luck one. It's a group of people all got good luck. So this is very important. And this will change the luck with the people. So when we see the physiognomy, we have to understand all these things. Thank you very much. Thank you for your supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you.